Alright, we're gonna do an unboxing for Star Wars Unlimited here. So this is my terrible janky setup, but here we go. Got a fresh booster box right here. Let me hold it this way. So you can kind of see it's sealed. Nice. This is my third box overall, I think. Yeah, third box, I believe. Still looking for a showcase, a special leader. But also looking for some legendary, so we'll see how it goes. We're invoking the power of the Chimera, so we're going to start with Thrawn. So here we go. We're just going to blow through and see what the uncommons and the rares and legendaries are going to look like. So I got Sabine. I just can't really see it very well. That's what you get when you get a terrible camera. Sabine with Command Center. Okay. Some regular old commons. Don't need to worry about that. I mean, I'm hoping for like a Thrawn leader. Get here with the uncommons. I got a Carabast. I got a Baze. Okay, Baze Malbus. Got a Vanguard Ace. Okay. Got a Legendary Command. Okay. Oh, I see a Hyperspace foil behind here. This is a pretty nice card. I always like these two choice cards. They're real nice. Then we got a Precision Fire foil Hyperspace. Look at that. All right. Here we go. Number 2. Another Sabine. I guess that's cool. Command Center also. All right. And just your regular old commons. There's still some pretty good, like, useful common cards here. It's nice. Got a Hyperspace Recruit. Okay, here's the uncommons. Okay. No Good to Me Dead. Great card. Actually, I don't think I have one of these Rogue Squadron skirmishers, maybe. Oh, Ruthless Raider. Nice. Hey, I got a Lando. Look at that. My first Lando. Not anything special, but... And a foil Power Failure. Alright. Moving on. Yeah, I don't think she wants to help me anymore. She helped me with the other ones, and then she didn't really get anything good, so I think she was a little bit... upset. Okay, I got an Iden Versio and Catacombs. Commons here, simple. Go this way. Okay, so I could use more of these surprise strikes, that's for sure. Okay, prepare for takeoff. No, the foil cards are just for the look. And it's like a rarity thing. So they have like the hyperspace ones, like the ones that don't have borders. And then they have the foils of those. And then they have foils of regular cards too. Got Forced Surrender. Okay, Hyperspace AT-AT. Hyperspace AT-AT. Okay, K2. Great card. Rallying Cry foil. Okay, nice. Got one legendary already, that's pretty nice. Alright, got our Boba Fett leader and Catacombs. The commons. Nothing special here. Okay, entrenched, okay. I have some plans for these entrenched, so I need more of these cards. Bosk, nice. Oh, Hyperspace Jedi Lightsaber, okay. It's a double rare pack. Binds All Things is my first one of this card as well. Yeah, it's a pretty decent card. I don't know if I'll use it, but pretty decent. And then Bounty Hunter Crew foil. Okay. I think the only legendaries I've pulled so far are Luke Skywalker, Aggression. There's a few more. Mace Windu. There's a few other ones, but still looking for Vader, of course. Got Palpatine, Dagobah. Commons, we'll just blow through those. Nothing special. Yeah, hyperspace, make an opening, that's nice. Okay, Hardpoint Heavy. Got Rallying Cry. Oh, got a Ghost, nice. What is this? Oh, another Chimera, okay. That'll be helpful. And foil True Strike, or Strike True. I think that's my second Chimera. Go along with the theme of the tattoos here. Alright, we got Gramoff in hyperspace Echo Base. Commons. Here's some pretty good commons. Nice Battlefield Marine Hyperspace. Probably the best 2-drop in the game. Chilson, Pirated Starfighter, Rogue Squadron. Oh yeah, Count Dooku. That's a nice rare. I need more of him. That's for sure. And we got foil Swoop Racer. Not as exciting. Alright, keep moving. Got Jin. And Kestro. And commons, blah blah. Okay, hyperspace Vanquish, nice. I feel like I haven't gotten any hyperspace, foil commons at all, huh? Hyperspace commons. Force Choke, TIE Advanced. Okay, Seventh Sister, nice. That'll be helpful. Hey! First legendary hyperspace. Vigilance. Very nice. I'm happy with that. Oh yeah, Count Dooku's awesome. I really like him. He seems very annoying to deal with. I haven't been on the receiving end of a Dooku yet, but he's a very annoying card, I feel like. There we go, Jin again, and Chopper Base. Just whatevers. Commons, okay, here's the uncommons. Smuggling Compartment, okay. I don't have many of those. Admiral Piet. Force Throw, nice. Okay, General Krell. I already have him in foil hyperspace? No. Maybe just regular foil. And the hyperspace foil, we'll learn this fighter. Boring. Okay, but still, looks nice. I feel like the hyperspace cards look just so much better without the border. I don't know if he's gonna get into it, but we're trying. Trying to convince him. Alright, Krennic, Capital City, hyperspace. Commons. Special here. Okay, Kanan. Nice. It's a good card. Got a Bib. Fortuna. Owani Wanga. Rebel Assault. Hyperspace. Oh yeah, Gideon Hask. Alright. This is my first one of him. I feel like he can kind of get out of control real quick. And we got a hyperspace foil Karabast. Kind of wish this card was better. Like, I feel like it reads okay, like text-wise, but in terms of usefulness, I feel like it's just okay. But I'm not a pro, so I could be wrong. Okay, keep going. This is a pretty good box so far. Okay, we got a Hyperspace Jin. Nice. Capital City. Nothing to see here. Okay, got another Bosk. Hardpoint Heavy Blaster. Rallying Cry. Admiral Akbar. Oh yeah! Foil Mace Windu. Okay. Make a fine addition to my collection. Alright, keep going. Okay. Hey, this is pretty nice. Nice way to start. We got a Hyperspace Iden. And a Echo Base. Sorry. Flip it around for the camera. Nothing. Okay, we got Colonel Yularen. Got Zeb. Okay. General Veers. One of my favorite characters. Yeah, for a cause I believe in. I need more of these. And a foil Cloud City Wing Guard. Okay, set that one aside. Alright, what we got? Hera and Administrator Tower. Nothing. Okay, got a Sabine. Very nice. I need more of her. This is a pretty great unit. Nice for aggro decks, obviously. Protector. Another Ezra. Nice. Okay, Wolf. It's my second one of Wolf. And foil Steadfast Italian. Nice. Uh-oh, we got a double Thrawn showing. That must be a good sign. Here we go. Okay, we got Grand Inquisitor, nice. And Castro. Okay, the commons. Oh, is that a respawn? Okay, nice. I kind of need more of those. Okay, Fifth Brother. It's a good start for the uncommons. Like it. Got a Takedown. Chewie. Royal Guard. Okay, not bad. Tactical Advantage. Nothing fancy. Fifth Brother, though, very useful. Here we go, Thrawn again. Still looking for Thrawn. I don't have him yet. Here we got Boba. Command Center. Commons. Okay, we got an Attack Pattern Delta. I don't ever see this card played, but I guess nobody really plays double green, so that makes sense. Ooh, Inferno 4, nice. Okay, that's very useful for me. Yes, a Fallen Lightsaber, very good. Ooh, Foil Bosk. I like that. Okay, let's put these two aside. Okay, we're about halfway through, so I'm gonna pick up some speed here. Okay, we got Grand Moff, Administrator. So we go through. Okay, Overwhelming Barrage, nice. Card. Nice Sabine, another one. Protector. Yeah, Heroic Sacrifice, very nice. And a foil Akbar. Nice. This box has been very very kind so far to me. Oh, don't worry, I got another one. We'll do another opening another day. We got Chewie. I got plans for making a Chewie deck. I feel like he's very underrated. Or underused. Underused is probably the better term. Yeah, I mean, I feel like some of the arts, I kind of like that it's like a hand-drawn, illustrated, animated like that, but some of the artists just feel like they kind of missed the mark. I'm looking at you, Chewbacca, leader. Like, alright. Got General Dodonna, Cartel Spacer, Mon Mothma, Chopper, And a foil Mining Guild TIE Fighter. Nothing exciting there. Okay, keep going. Boba Fett. Base. Okay, commons. Okay, got another Ezra. Got Attack Pattern Delta. Benthic. Oh yeah. It's Luke number 2. Love it. Love it. And a foil TIE Fighter. Still a great card, but Luke Skywalker, he's making this whole box worth it already. Oh, we got double Thrawn again. Okay, Cassian. And Kestro. Okay, nothing. Okay, Pirated Starfighter. Got Rogue Squadron, a Skirmisher. Force Choke. Okay, Tarkin Town. We already have one. I guess you only really need one location of these, but still a good card. And foil repair. Nothing too exciting there. Still looking for Vader. If I get Vader and Luke in the same box, man, that'd be awesome. Okay, we got IG-88, Chopper. Common. Okay, that's actually a pretty cool looking card. Hyperspace. Okay, got another Inferno 4. General Dodonna. 2 General Dodonas. 1 Hyperspace, I guess that's cool. Saw Gerrera. Okay. Power of the Dark Side foil. Nice. Okay, it's a good card. Useful card. I won't say good card. Useful card. I don't really play double red, so I don't know. We'll see. But okay, keep going. Got 7 left, including the one I've got right here. Okay, we got Grand Moff, Capital City. Pretty boring stuff here. Okay, got a TIE Advanced, a Distant Patroller, another Bosk. Okay, Change of Heart, Legendary. Nice. Okay, foil Royal Guard. Very cool. Oh, sorry, I lied. We have 4 left. Eyes are playing tricks on me. Alright, we got Leia and the Administrator Tower Hyperspace. Very cool. Okay. Cartel Spacer. Mon Mothma. Ruthless Raider. Very good. Love this card. Okay, Bodhi. Do I have Bodhi? And I'm a Consular Security Force foil. Nothing too exciting there either. Okay, we're gonna save the last Thrawn pack for our final booster here. Okay, we got Sabine, Administrator. Okay, go through these. Okay, Hardpoint Heavy Blaster, Rallying Cry, which is with me. Okay. Again, another ECL. That's nice. And Vanguard Infantry. Cool. I mean, ECL is just, I mean, you guys already know it's very good, so. Okay, got a Hyperspace Sabine. Nice. Keep going. Yoda. Cantina Bouncer, General Tag, Obi-Wan. Okay, not too shabby. Spec Force foil. Actually, I need to set aside Obi-Wan so he doesn't get lost in the shuffle. Alright, last one. Grand Admiral himself, here we go. doubt we'll get a showcase, but it'd be nice. Yeah, we got Jin and Hyperspace Dagobah. These commons. Okay, Hyperspace, common. Okay, we got Outmaneuver. Great. Big plans for that card. Admiral Piet, Fighters for Freedom, Jabba. Oh, 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 oh. Nice. And Bright Hope. Foil. Great. Can use this card too. Excellent. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Appreciate you as always. Stay tuned for the next one.